For the elevated push-up, you're going to grab either a bench, or if you are at a gym, you can use either a Smith machine rack or a squat rack with the bar, either this height or a little bit higher. The higher you go, the easier it's going to be, because the higher you go, the more, the less of an incline you're going to be. So with the bench, this is probably about a little bit more difficult than mid-level or mid-range level, okay? So with a bench, this is probably going to be pretty tough for those beginners out there. So the incline push-up, all the same cues apply for a regular push-up. Double chin, rib cage pulled down. You're going to squeeze your glutes. Even though your hands are not on the ground and they're just here on the edge of the bench, you're still going to corkscrew your hands. Try to pull the bench apart like this to allow the upper arm to rotate and screw into your shoulder. That's going to create more tension. You'll be a little bit safer. When you come down and lower your body to the bench, you want to make sure you have a 45-degree angle with your upper arm to your body, okay? So nothing in tight, nothing flared out like this, just a 45-degree angle, okay? So, double chin, rib cage pulled down, glutes are nice and tight. I should have a relatively straight line between the crown of my head to my tailbone to my heels or my midfoot. If I'm up like this, that's no good, and if I'm sagging, that's no good. So you might set up a little bit high. You really won't be able to get into position because you're going to lean forward. If you set up really low, you may not know until you do your first repetition, and you can see that my hand is going to be or my face is going to be meeting my hand. So you want to make sure you're kind of your shoulders are over top of your hands here. Okay, double chin, rib cage pulled down, glutes nice and tight, corkscrew my hand to the bench. Gonna get a 45-degree angle with the upper arm. Take a big breath. And that's your elevated